Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really nice 2014 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited I wanted to show you. It's gray and silver two-tone paint. Looks really nice. Got a dark blue trim stripe. Lower leg fairings. Set of highway pegs. Got the liquid cooled heads. It's got the little radiators there and the lower leg fairings. Daymaker headlights. High density spots. Front fender looks good. Might be one little tiny little rock peck right in there. Decent tire on the front. Got anti-lock brakes, dual front disc brakes. Looks like it's got a little mark right here. A couple little specks right there. It's got through the windshield, through the fairing ventilation. Got a little vent up there you can open and close. Electronic cruise control, touch screen, full instrumentation, AM, FM, CB radio. Got a place here for your MP3 player. Bike's got 19,726 miles. 103 cranks right up. 103 with a 6-speed. Control back here for your volume and push to talk for your passenger. Chrome luggage rack on top of the tour pack back here. Factory exhaust, so it runs fairly quiet. Excellent tire on the rear. Shows your radio station among other things up there on the touch screen. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. We ran it through our shop and checked it out, and she is ready for the highway. Qualifies for some excellent extended warranties and options and finance options. See our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.